Welcome back to CDonald Car Maroon Color 1962, the place where classic machines meet passionate storytelling. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that has stood the test of time, a car that still carries an undeniable charm even decades after its arrival. This is the 1962 CDonald in its deep maroon finish, a color that adds both class and attitude to a vehicle already rich in heritage and uniqueness. Let's explore what this vintage beauty still has to offer and why it continues to capture attention everywhere it goes. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that draws your eye is the maroon color that glows differently under every angle of light. It's a shade that makes the car look bold without shouting, elegant without trying too hard. The paint has that classic glossy finish associated with early 60s craftsmanship, where every curve and contour was meant to highlight personality rather than chase trends. The long bonnet stretches forward with confidence, showcasing the era's iconic elongated front design. The chrome accents, from the grille to the bumper lines, add a bright contrast that still shines proudly. Even after all these years, the classic grille design holds its character, giving the car a distinct face that enthusiasts instantly recognize. The body lines of the 1962 CDonald remain clean and smoothly sculpted. You can see how designers of that time valued symmetry and balance. The maroon shade enhances the curves, making the car look almost fluid in motion even when it is parked. The side profile reveals the slightly raised rear stance, a signature detail that gave this model a very subtle sporty attitude. The wheel arches are wide and well-defined, embracing those vintage-style wheels that perfectly complete the timeless look. The chrome mirrors and window frames add the final touches of elegance, reflecting a time when even the smallest exterior details were crafted with intention. Moving towards the performance, this car represents the era when driving was about mechanical feel, sound, and emotion. Under the hood sits an engine that was considered impressive for its time, delivering a strong and consistent power output that made the CDonald reliable, responsive, and enjoyable to drive. The throttle response is straightforward, delivering power with a smooth but noticeable push. There's a classic rumble from the engine that modern cars simply cannot replicate. It's rich, deep, and full of character, an unmistakable sound of early automotive engineering. The gearbox complements the engine beautifully, whether it is the original manual transmission or a converted setup. Shifts are mechanical, engaging, and satisfying, making every drive feel connected and purposeful. On the road, the 1962 CDonald offers a ride that's different from what we expect today, but in the best possible way. The steering gives you real feedback, letting you feel the road texture and grip directly through the wheel. The suspension setup is comfortable yet firm enough to keep the car stable, surprising many with how balanced it still feels for its age. Sure, it doesn't handle corners like a modern sports car, but that isn't the point. Its charm comes from the raw driving experience, where every vibration, every turn, every shift adds to the story. The braking system is simple but adequate, doing its job reliably as long as it's maintained properly. This car was built for cruising, for taking in the scenery, and for enjoying the journey more than chasing speed. Inside the 1962 CDonald, you will find a cabin that brings nostalgia to life. It's a short interior review, but every detail here matters. The dashboard features a straightforward, classic layout with large analog gauges that display everything clearly. The steering wheel is big and bold, instantly transporting you back to the early 60s when driving felt more hands-on. The maroon and beige interior combination gives the cabin a warm, inviting atmosphere. The seats are wide and cushioned, offering a soft, comfortable feel for long rides. The chrome accents inside match the exterior theme, tying the whole character together beautifully. Even the smell of the vintage upholstery adds to the experience, reminding you that this car has lived through decades of journeys, stories, and memories. To wrap it up, the 1962 CDonald in maroon isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of history. Its exterior style is timeless, its performance still capable of delivering joy, and its interior a reminder of simpler automotive days. Owning or even just experiencing a machine like this is like stepping into a chapter of automotive heritage, and it proves once again why classics never lose their charm.